Welcome to PHOTOPLAY Paper. I'm Amy Sonneman, and today we're going to have some puppy fun with the Bow Wow collection designed by Becky Moore. This collection includes 6 double-sided papers, an element sticker sheet, as well as ephemera, stamps, a coordinating die set that's sold separately, a stencil, cut-aparts, color me paper, as well as an additional Papers Plus to mix and match. Let's jump in and take a look at all the pieces. This paper is called Speak. The next is Dog Treat, I Love My Dog, Dogomania, Chow Time, and this fun cut-apart paper called Lucky Dog. We also have the Bow Wow Color Me papers. This is the element sticker sheet filled with icons, words, and titles. We also have the stamp set with coordinating dies that cut out all these adorable little puppies, as well as the die paper. You can mix and match the dies from this collection to cut out all of the elements in this paper for fun elements on your scrapbook page or a layout or even a card. This collection also includes a stencil with puppy paws and dog bones. These are all of the elements included in the ephemera pack. It has 30 fun pieces, perfect for mixing and matching with all the papers in this collection. Today I get to share with you the Meow Collection designed by Becky Moore. It includes 6 adorable cat papers, a fun sticker sheet, as well as stamps, coordinating dies which are sold separately, a mylar stencil, as well as a fun die paper. Let's take a look. The collection kit includes 2 of each of the papers that I'll be showing you next. The first one is called Perfect with the fun cut-aparts. This is Catomania, Here Kitty Kitty, Playful, Kitty Love, and the last paper in this collection is called Paws. This is the element sticker sheet filled with lots of cat sayings as well as titles and so much more. Next is the Meow Color Me paper. Next we have this fun stamp set, the coordinating dies that are sold separately, as well as the Meow dies paper. All of the dies that you see here cut out each of the individual pieces that you see on the die paper. Perfect for adding to your ephemera collection for even more fun elements for your paper crafting projects. We also have a yarn stencil. The last piece in this collection is the ephemera pack, which includes 30 fun pieces that mix and match with this collection. We also have a Solids Plus pack, which includes 6 sheets, 2 of each of the 3 designs, that mix and match with both the Bow Wow and the Meow collection. So this is something you can pick up whether you're a cat lover or a dog lover. Here's a quick look at all of the patterns and colors in that Solids Plus pack. Thanks for watching and have a great day.